Today I will fix the problem with my sport exhaust on this Porsche Cayenne GTS. I have this kind of exhaust which is pretty cool, where you can press the sport button and the valves are opening in the back, so it will, or should, sound better and louder. In the last video I found a problem where those flaps are not moving. Take a look at that movie if you want to, or also the whole playlist, because this is my first car restoration project. I've never worked with cars before, so this is a lot of failures but also a lot of learnings. That's what I'm focusing on. So if you want to see more failures, take a look at the other videos. If we start by looking at the exhaust, I can show you what's going on here. What I think is going on. So as you can see, I have removed the rear bumper, and here is the exhaust. And this one over here, that one, that is what is, or should, open and close the valves so that the air is coming through and also makes that sporty noise. Inside these exhaust pipes, there's a flap that is opening and closing, and on this side, the right side, it's always closed and it's not moving. And the problem is that it's really hard to see what is happening and if it's stuck there. And it's absolutely insane to try to take it off in a somewhat non-aggressive way, I would say. It's a lot of rust there. So I need to, I don't know, saw it off. Because my plan is, if I can take away these by removing this one, I can probably see the flaps in there and try to move them manually. On one of the sides, I think it's actually the right one. It's open. I said closed before, but it's open all the time. On the left side, this one, it's always closed, but it's like loose. So I need to figure out what's happening there. And that's probably the easiest way, is to remove part of the exhaust so I can see it. If you like what I'm doing in this channel, please subscribe. That will help me a lot, and I can continue doing this and hopefully fix this car, but also buy new ones and learn a lot along the way. I don't really know how this will work out, but my plan is to not cut through the exhaust, but to do something with this clamp here. And buy a new one, of course. But let's see if I can make it work. Wow, that wasn't easy. Maybe if I do it in between here, where the screw is. I don't know. Feels like I will cut through the exhaust. Something is happening at least. That was really hard. It's also hard to see what I'm doing. It doesn't feel like the perfect way of troubleshooting this exhaust. But now when I started, I need to move on. Hopefully I can get that off. I also realized, of course, that there's two pipes on each side, so I need to remove both of them. Hopefully I can screw one of those off instead of cutting it. Let's see. So this is not working that well. And now I will try one of these, a big one. And as you can see, I've been hammering on this one. So I hopefully can screw it off. Wow. Whew. Shit. What happened there? So, it's off. And it's awesome. And why didn't I do this before? That's the question. I seem to always take the wrong decisions. But yeah, now I know how to do this at least. And you do too. Here's the bolt. So it was almost two, I guess. So there is another clamp here, which I will try to remove in the same way. First, putting this on. Ah, ow. Let's leave it like that for now. I have a cushion here so I don't damage it at least. Let's take a look inside that pipe now and see if we see anything. And here you can see it. The valve is open. And it's stuck. I'm a bit exhausted after this exercise. But okay. So now we see that flap. It's stuck. Definitely stuck. I can't move it. But now I don't know what to do. Do you have any tips? Please write in the comments. I will try to research a bit until next episode. Maybe I need to remove something else. I don't know. Please tell me. And if you want to see the next one, don't forget to subscribe. See ya.